Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy stocks in XTB app. So the first step is to simply open the app and then simply tap on the search button in the top right corner. Now here you're gonna have different categories. So as you can see, you have forex, indices, commodities, etc. And at the bottom we have stocks. So simply select that and then you're gonna have to select stocks. Now here you can basically select them by country. So maybe you want to invest in France stocks, or you can simply scroll down and as you can see you can select US. And then here you're going to be able to find all the US stocks and you can simply select them, and then you can simply select how much would you like to buy of this stock and then simply tap on buy, and that's all you have to do. So guys, I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.